Let's jump into custom fields. Custom fields is a really, really cool feature that allows you to pretty much do anything and organize everything directly inside of ClickUp. It gives you complete customization like we've never had. I'm going to jump into creating a new space just so you guys can see how it works from the ground up. Now, remember, custom fields are a Click app, so it's created and added at the space level. You've got to turn it on for all the spaces where you want to see custom fields. If you've already created spaces and you want to add it there, I'll show you how to add it right now. You just go to the top right, click apps, and you'll be able to add it for any spaces that already exist on your team. I'm going to create a task and show you two ways of adding custom fields. Now, custom fields are turned on at the space level, but they're managed at the project level. So you can have multiple projects with different custom fields, or you can use existing fields, effectively creating global custom fields across your team. For example, if I had a client email or maybe a drop down for something like Scrum points where I wanted to reuse across multiple projects, I would just click use existing field and select which field I want to reuse. I'm going to create a new one just for being able to show you exactly how it works. I'm going to name it Agile Scrum Points and just give it 1, 2, and 3. Super basic. Cool thing about these drop downs is you can add colors. Therefore, once you associate the color with an option, you no longer have to think about really what the option is. You can just think about the color. Now, after you add a custom field, obviously it's visible in the task. So I can see right here if it's set or not. I'm going to go ahead and set it to 1 and super cool coloring. But if I want to see that in list view or any of the other views for that matter, I have to show the field. So let's go here and I'll show it right there. And now I can see it and I can actually manage it right in list view. Now there's tons of options with custom fields. We won't go into all of them. I will say the second way that you can edit custom fields is going right into task view and just clicking edit right there. Now, let's just take a brief overview at all the options available. There's 10 options available. Calculate it's coming soon. The other ones are somewhat self-explanatory. You can browse through them, have some fun with them, do whatever you want. Phone number is really cool here, because after I create a phone number, and let's say that I set it, I can go into list view, display it here, and you can actually click to call. So you don't have to really, if you're using something like a simple CRM, you don't really have to use that anymore. You really can use ClickUp and you can manage clients, sales, anything you want in here by using phone numbers, emails, websites. They're all click actions where you can click one click and get to it. Now, other cool thing is here, I don't have lots of tasks, but let's say I had 10 tasks. I can sort these custom fields descending or ascending, whichever one I want. I can also even filter these custom fields. So let's say I wanted to find all of the number 2 agile scrum points, which obviously is just this one task. I can do that with other fields, like a number field, for example. I'm not going to jump into it, but we allow you to do other operations like greater than, equal to, really complete customization and filtering here. We're going to add reporting coming very soon where you'll be able to run reports, generate really cool reports that have calculations involved. So for something like Scrum points, I'd be able to say, let's say an average or a sum, or break them down by person. That's coming really, really soon in ClickUp. Now, for custom fields, I went over the options in task view and the options available, but you can also show these in the other views. So let's say I want to show them here, I would just click there for adding them in board view, and for displaying them in time view, the exact same thing. All you got to do is come right here and display the custom field that you want to see, and it will save those settings based on your projects. Hope you guys really enjoy this feature as much as we do.